Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Hidden Room Ideas for Modern Small Homes 2025 Secret Furniture and Smart Space-Saving Designs. Imagine opening a bookshelf and walking into a private office, or pulling out a stylish wall panel to reveal a cozy reading nook. Welcome to the future of small home living, where hidden rooms and secret furniture turn everyday spaces into jaw-dropping experiences. In today's video, we're diving into hidden room ideas for modern small homes 2025, where clever design meets mystery and every square inch counts. Whether you're working with a studio apartment or a compact modern house, these genius hidden features not only save space but also add that irresistible wow factor. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's step inside. The hidden wall office, where work disappears after hours. Let's start with one of the most sought-after secrets of 2025, the hidden wall office. This is a sleek, modern solution for remote workers and creatives living in compact homes. By day, it looks like a minimalist wall panel, maybe even adorned with art. But with a gentle push or slide, it reveals a fully functional workstation, floating desk, integrated lighting, built-in shelves, and even concealed power outlets. When work's done, simply fold it back up, and your living space is instantly reset. No bulky desks in the way, no cluttered shelves on display. Just smart design and clean aesthetics. It's a seamless blend of productivity and peace. Bonus tip? Use sound-absorbing materials within your panel to create an ultra-quiet mini office, perfect for video calls or deep focus sessions. The bookcase doorway, secret passages in style. Who doesn't love a good hidden door? The bookcase doorway is no longer just for mystery movies. It's a growing trend in modern small homes. Think of a stylish bookshelf that doubles as a swinging door, leading to a private reading room, guest bedroom, or even a compact home theater. This idea not only adds a surprise element to your home, it also utilizes wall space creatively. Use the shelves to store books, display art, or conceal valuables. With today's advanced hinge systems, these doors swing effortlessly and stay completely flush with the wall when closed. Perfect for anyone who wants both function and flair, this is one secret you'll want to show off, but only to your favorite guests. Understair magic, the rise of the staircase room. In 2025, stairs are no longer just for getting to the next floor. They're the foundation for brilliant hidden rooms. Think pull-out drawers, fold-out desks, or even an entire tiny room tucked beneath the staircase. Some homeowners are installing mini libraries, pet zones, or wine cellars in this often overlooked space. Want to go a step further? Install a sliding door under the stairs that opens into a snug nap nook or a meditation den. Add LED lighting and plush textiles and you've got yourself a secret sanctuary. The key to success here is maximizing every cubic inch, and with clever carpentry, even the smallest staircase can hold a world of possibilities. Loving these space-saving secrets so far? If you're getting inspired, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a fresh idea. Tap that like button if you're a fan of hidden rooms, and drop a comment below. What's your dream secret space? A hidden library? A tucked-away gaming room? We'd love to hear from you. Secret bed solutions: sleep, store, repeat. Next up, let's talk about sleeping smart. Murphy beds have evolved. Welcome to the 2025 version. Beds that disappear behind mirrors, rise into ceiling panels, or fold into stylish wardrobes. But wait, it gets even better. Some new models include hidden storage compartments within the bed's platform, perfect for seasonal clothes or travel gear. Others combine the bed with a sofa or workstation, so you can switch between living, sleeping, and working modes in seconds. If you're living in a studio apartment or simply want to keep your bedroom multifunctional, this is the hidden furniture piece to consider. Sleek, easy to use, and totally transformative, it's a true space saver that doesn't skimp on comfort. The hidden bathroom or laundry closet, stylish utility on demand. Finally, let's talk utility, because even practical rooms can have a little mystery. The hidden bathroom or laundry closet is a clever solution for ultra-modern homes. Behind sliding panels or faux cabinetry, you'll find full-functioning sinks, washer/dryers, or half baths, completely out of sight when not in use. These designs use bifold doors, magnetic locks, or push-to-open panels, keeping everything sleek and streamlined. The beauty? You can maintain your minimalist aesthetic while still having everything you need within arm's reach. Some homeowners even disguise these rooms behind mirrored panels or art frames, adding a chic element to their function. It's the definition of modern magic. There you have it, 5 hidden room ideas that blend futuristic design with everyday functionality. Whether you're dreaming of a secret study, a vanishing bed, or a concealed laundry space, these clever concepts prove that small homes can be big on mystery and innovation. 2025 is all about multi-use, space-saving magic, and now you're in on the secrets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with fellow design lovers. And hey, what would your perfect hidden room be? Tell us in the comments. We've got more secret furniture and design trends coming your way, so stay tuned. And until next time, keep dreaming smart and living beautifully.